Hey everyone, so today I'm showing you how to fix the IRQL not less than or equal error on Windows 11. This blue screen error is common, but here's how to fix it. Let's get started. All right, first thing, press the Windows key and search for Device Manager. Open it. Now expand Display Adapters, right-click on your graphics card and select Update Driver. Choose Search automatically for drivers and let Windows find updates. Once done, close Device Manager. Okay, press the Windows key again and search for Disk Cleanup. Open it, select your C drive, and click OK. Here's the thing. Click Clean Up System Files at the bottom. Wait for it to calculate how much space you can free up. In the list that appears, uncheck Delivery Optimization Files if it's checked. Then click OK and confirm by clicking Delete Files. This clears temporary files that might cause issues. Now press the Windows key, search for CMD, right-click on Command Prompt and select Run as Administrator. Type chkdsk/f/r and press Enter. This checks your hard drive for errors. You might be asked to schedule the scan for the next restart. Type Y and press Enter. Finally, restart your computer. And that's it. The IRQL not less than or equal error should now be fixed. If this helped you out, let me know in the comments below.